I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna make a simple homemade nacho cheese sauce. So if you love nachos, this cheese sauce is perfect for that. You can put it over burritos, quesadillas, your best friends, whatever. It's super tasty. I think you're gonna like it. Let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to melt some butter in a large saute pan. So we're gonna use that melted butter, we're gonna sift in some flour, and we're gonna use that to create essentially a roux. This is what we're gonna use to thicken the sauce. So that butter and that flour, you wanna fully combine that. So just mix together the flour until it's completely and evenly coated with the butter. Go ahead and pour in the milk. We're now gonna whisk this all together so that mixture is completely even. Next, just to add a little bit of kick, we're gonna add in some cayenne pepper. Add in your salt. So you have the butter and the flour and the milk, the salt and the cayenne pepper. You want to bring that to a medium-high heat so it starts to simmer. You want just a low simmer though. The reason that we're simmering this mixture is the flour, we need to cook it. So if you don't cook it, it's gonna taste a little kind of doughy, right? So you wanna simmer this mixture for just a couple minutes, a low simmer. So just bring it up to a medium heat, simmer it. Once it starts to bubble a little bit, perfect. Turn off the heat, remove it from the stove. Now we're gonna take our shredded cheddar cheese and just add it in a handful at a time. Let it get mixed in with the hot milk mixture until it kind of fully melts, and then add in the next handful. You can just want to do this a portion at a time until you fully melt all of that cheese into the sauce. The important part is that you remove the pan from the heat before you do this, because if the mixture gets too hot while you're adding in the cheddar cheese, the cheese can break. And if it breaks, then it's gonna get kind of oily and fatty, and like the cheese solids are gonna separate and you're gonna completely ruin your sauce. So remove it from the heat, add in your cheddar cheese, as I was saying, handful at a time, mix it until it's fully evenly melted and a great consistency. And there you go, you have an easy, simple, homemade nacho cheese sauce. No Velveeta required. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So I'll see you guys next time.